Hi, I'm Ricard. I am marketing manager here in a marketing agency called Okisam in Valencia, Spain, and my experience with Google Sheets is a 5 out of 5. Well, the main use with Google Sheets in our company is to store a small amount of data and to display that in reports such as Looker Studio. The introduction of data in Google Sheets into Google Sheets is very simple thanks to extensions such as Supermetrics or the ones for like Google Analytics, for example. Also, the data transformation is pretty much the best part because thanks to the amount of functions and different formulas available. And finally, the easy part is the sharing information with other tools, like I said, like Looker Studio is like the key of this software. It's hard to say, but I think that the thing I like the most about Google Sheets is the easy it is to use, and also the great functionality that is not available in other softwares and other spreadsheets is the possibility to do it at the same time by multiple users. Well, things that maybe it can be better are first of all, maybe because you can't storage a huge amount of data is limited, but it's okay for our use in the company. And also maybe the hotkeys used in Google Sheets are not the same always with other spreadsheets, but well, it's just you only have to get used to that. But for the rest, for me, it's the best spreadsheet tool.